Namaskaram and swagatham to my channel, dear friends. Hope you all are doing great. It's a new year, it's a new decade. നിങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ പുതുവത്സരാശംസകൾ. Today we are going to discuss a very important part of Malayalam language, and this will help you a lot in reading and understanding Malayalam language. So what is it? We are going to discuss about vowel diacritics. So what is that? We'll see in a few moments. Here I have taken an example of the word car. So the word car written in English, it is the letter C, the letter A, the letter R combined. So here the vowel used is A. But the word is car. It is the sound is car. But still the vowel has no change. A is written as A and we read it as car. But when it comes to the Malayalam language, the same word car, how is it written? So we have ka, the letter ka, the consonant ka, then the vowel a, and for the last one we have It is car. So we write But it is not written in the first method. The second method, where the vowel R changes to a sign or a symbol, which is more clearly called as a diacritic, takes the place and we read it as car. So this is probably the you can see this in most of the Indian languages. I don't know all the Indian languages, but I know Hindi. So in Hindi also you have this kind of changes when a consonant and a vowel is coming together. So in this one we are going to learn about this particular diacritic. Usually diacritics, as far as English is concerned, it comes above or below, but in Malayalam it comes before, after, above, below, and it changes the pronunciation of the consonant. So we are going to learn a when combined with the consonants. So hope you understood this, and we are going to see the examples now. Pal means milk. So here you see pa. Pal means milk. Mala means chain or garland is called mala. Bhasha means language. We are learning Malayalam language. We are learning Malayalam Bhasha. It's Bhasha. Paat means song. Kal means leg. Tamara means lotus. Kaka means crow. Naya means dog. Masiga means a monthly magazine. Any monthly magazine which comes in a monthly basis is called Masiga. So in all these examples you have seen the sound A. Instead of writing that as the vowel A as it is, we are changing into the diacritic form. So that is the whole point of this video. So whenever you see this, now I hope you will be able to read it as A. Okay, and before we wind up, here are some consonants, and I have just added the diacritic with it, and we are going to read it. So the first one is ka, second is cha, third is ta, fourth is ta, fifth is pa. Ka, cha, ta, ta, pa. Okay, so that was our chapter for today. I know it is a short one, but we are going to continue the diacritic in coming videos also. There is a lot, but we'll slowly learn each of them. This will help you a lot in understanding Malayalam language and to read it properly, and that way you'll get more confident in the language. So hope you enjoyed this video. I like to know your comments, so please do comment in the comment section, and as always, like it and share so that more people can know more about this kind of this part of Malayalam language. And if you are here for the first time, please hit on that subscribe button, so that you can follow me and get more Malayalam videos. Anyways, Nani for watching, and Namaskaram.